Hi everybody, welcome to TechVision Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about CSS lists. And we have two types of lists. We have an unordered list and we have ordered list. Unordered lists are the lists that we have with bullets and circles, while ordered lists are the ones we have in 1, 2, 3 or ABC or in Roman figure. As you can see in your right-hand side, these are unordered lists. And all these aspects, they are ordered lists. You can see them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's move to the next one. We have CSS styling lists. In HTML, there are two main types of lists. Unordered lists, that is, list items are marked with bullets. CSS has the following properties for styling HTML lists. CSS list item marker, that is, the CSS list style type properties specifies the type of list item marker in a list. The following example shows some of the available list marker. We have, for the UL, we have type should be circle, disk, square, upper Roman, lower alpha, decimal, different types. Let's create a list. Come here. We'll say UL. Inside this UL, we'll say, so anytime you want to say another list, you say table, table. No, we don't want table. Chair, bed. That's for our ordered lists. Then we can take our OL list, so that is ordered list. Can you see OL is ordered, UL is on ordered list. Now let's come here. Let's tie our list. So we can say, we can come here, UL. Then we want list style type should be square. Or perhaps we can say we want our list style type to be disk. Now let's check it out. As you can see, we have our list in disk form. Let's try square and let's try circle. Different types. Square. If you can see it, we have it in square form. Now, so as for circle, let's check it out. Can you see what we have in our circle as well? So that is, you can try different types. Then we have ordered list. List items are marked with numbers or list. Then we have list style type. Specify the type of list item marker. List style image specifies an image as the list item marker. List style position specify the position of the list item marker, and the list styles, that is a shorthand property that you can use. So let's check our ordered list. We have them in numbers. Let's move to the next part. Then the last one, we have CSS replace item marker with an image. The CSS list item image property is used to replace the item marker with an image. Note, always specify a list style type property in addition. This property is used if the image for some reasons is unavailable. Replace the list item marker with an image. So let's go ahead with using an image to create our style. Let's go, our list style. So first of all, we'll have to remove this since we already have an image here in this place, tef.jpg. Then the first thing we need to do is you say UL, and inside this UL, we'll say list style. We want our list style should be none. Then after that, would give it padding left of, I know you people know what padding left is. Padding left of 0. Then, so we'll create it because of the li inside. We'll say UL, then li, then inside it we'll say, okay, you give it position. Our position will be relative. Then as well, we'll give it padding left of 40 pixel, that is a distance away from our image. We'll give it margin bottom of 10 pixel. we would give it line height of 30 pixel. Then that's all for that UL-LI. So now, the next thing we're going to move is to the UL, that is LI, then before. We want an empty content. And the next thing, this is where we are going to make use of our image. We'll say position. We want our position to be absolute. Then the next thing is we want our left to be 0. We also want our top to be 0. We want our width to be 30. Width to be 30, height to be 30. Height to be 30. Then instead of background color, we'll make use of our background image. Background image. This is when we are going to bring in our URL, which is the image that we want to use. Then as well, we'll bring background size, cover. Then the next thing we are going to do is background position, center. Thank you. Then we'll give it background radius, border radius of 4 pixel. Then we can probably give it box shadow if we want. Thank you. Then let's style it. Let's check what we have. Can you see we have an image as our list? We can make it smaller. Instead of giving it 30 pixel, we can give it 20. Then you can even have it in a smaller way. Can you see? And if you want it to move closer to where it is, we can just come here. The padding left that will give it 40 can be 20. So the distance will not be far away from each other. Can you see? I'll go 20 now. Yes, 20 pixel. Yes. So that is how it works. I hope you understand. That's how you can use image. Then we have CSS position, the list item marker. The list item style position specifies the position of the list item marker, that is bullet points. You can put it outside or you can put it inside, which means that the bullet points outside the list item. If you have a box, it can be easier. But this one, it points inside. You can position the list item marker outside or inside. I hope you understand this. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at TechChildren Academy. See you next time. Bye.